The Netherlands, famous for tulips, windmills, and cheese. But there's a lot more hiding beneath the surface. Let's dive into 10 facts that will change how you see this small but mighty country. About 1/3 of the Netherlands lies below sea level. Without its massive system of dikes, dunes, and pumps, much of the country would be underwater. Some areas sit more than 6 meters, or about 20 feet, below the surface of the sea. On average, Dutchmen are around 183 centimeters tall, or about 6 feet, while Dutch women average 170 centimeters, or 5 feet 7 inches. No other country tops these numbers. There are over 23 million bicycles in the Netherlands, but only about 17.5 million people. That's roughly 1.3 bikes per person. The Netherlands ships more than 2 billion tulip bulbs each year. That's enough to give every person on Earth almost 1/3 of a bulb, if sharing tulips was a thing. Windmills were once used to pump water and grind grain. Today, modern wind turbines help the Netherlands produce a growing share of its renewable energy, harnessing the same winds that shaped its history. 17th century Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek created powerful early microscopes, revealing a world of tiny life forms no one had ever seen before. Some Dutch bike paths are coated with luminescent material that stores sunlight during the day and glows at night, both beautiful and practical. The port of Rotterdam stretches over 42 kilometers, or about 26 miles, and moves more cargo than any other port in Europe. When Dutch canals freeze, the nation goes wild for ice skating. The legendary Elfstedentocht race covers almost 200 kilometers, or about 124 miles, when the ice is thick enough. The Hague hosts the International Court of Justice, where disputes between nations are settled. A reminder that the Netherlands punches far above its weight in global influence. From towering citizens to glowing bike paths, the Netherlands is full of surprises. Which fact amazed you the most? Drop it in the comments, hit like, and share this video to spread the wonder. This is the Random Fact Factory, feeding your curiosity, one fact at a time.